Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Shiatsu Neck and Shoulder Massager. And so I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me. And so I've used my fair share of neck massagers before, and I must say that this one is pretty interesting, and I mean it in a good way. So first, what you have here is that you have the actual buttons. So with these buttons that you see here, this right here is going to be the power button, which is going to turn it on. Then you have different modes for the actual massage. So it's like usually like in time interval modes. But what I mean by that is like the massager well, let's actually test it out. So if we turn it on, right now it's just at a constant massage. But if I click on mode, it's actually going to like pause, massage, pause, massage. If I click on it again, this one's more of like a constant mode again, but lighter. And then it's going to go ahead, pause, massage. So there's like different modes as how this massager works. Over here is the heater button. So right now it's green. That means the heater is off. If I turn it back on, that means heat is going to be emitted. And then this button right over here is the speed. So you could actually adjust the speed of how fast you want it to massage and such. Now, with this massager, most massagers that I've used only tend to have these arm straps here. And that's going to be used to actually push the massager against your neck, like what you see right here. Okay, so I'm pushing against it. But what this massager has, which is actually quite new for me, is it actually has a buckle mechanism. So if I actually go ahead and untie this, let's go ahead and turn it off. So this buckling mechanism is actually going to strap behind your back so that you won't need to actually put your arms inside of here. So if you can imagine, if I'm strapping this behind my back, clicks in place, I no longer need to have my arms rested within this massager, and I can simply just work, I can eat, I can use my hands, and the massager is still going to turn on. And I must say, like, the heating mechanism actually does work pretty well. Like right now, it does feel pretty hot. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty neat back/upper neck massager. But check it out for yourselves. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.